and today I'm going to be filming a tutorial monochromatic terracotta eye look using the Iluvsarahii X Dose of Colors collection. I used Loungy and Wanderlust, and then one of the Baked Brown palettes from Dose of Colors, but everything else is mostly from the collection. I'm wearing Aesthetic. It's super pretty. I'm really feeling this look right now. So if you want to learn how to get this look and see how I created it, don't forget to keep on watching. So we're going to start off by priming our eyelids. I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre. Making a little bit. Alright, my under eye circles look so dark in the viewfinder. Gosh, sorry. So now we're going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder. Taking my Luxie 233 large fluff brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of my soft ochre in, and then I'm going to set my brows. So you guys, I'm going to move on to my eyes now. Obviously, I'm going to be using most of the stuff from the Iluvsarahii X Dose of Color collection. I was so excited to see this collection launch. I love the packaging of this. And today I did use the really pretty turquoise blue shade right here, and it's so pretty. But I want to do like a more like monochromatic look today. I want to use, I think this is Loungy, I think it's flipped, Loungy and Poreless. So I want to use these two colors, and I want to make like a very smoky monochromatic look. And then I think I'm also going to use the Dose of Colors like 5-pan eyeshadow palettes as well as additional colors. So I'm first going to start off by warming up my eyes. I'm going to use my Morphe M504, and I'm going to be taking Loungy right here, which is a really pretty light peachy color, and you can definitely build this color up if you wanted to. So I'm going to focus this in the middle first. Let me tilt my head back just a little bit. And these shadows are so easy to blend. I've used all of these eyeshadows already. The black one, this is called Finders Keepers, I believe. It's a matte black with like a lot of silver, blue, gold glitter. And that one doesn't really, it does translate just a little bit, but not as much as you think, which is really nice, because if I wanted like a matte black but with a little bit of shimmer, it's still really nice to use on the eyes. I feel like this would be like just a really easy look to do if you're on the go. Something that I'd probably like wear to work. And then I'm going to go in with probably Baked Browns, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Outdoorsy. Obviously my favorite shade because I hit pan on it. This is my Morphe R37 if I didn't mention it. And I'm going to apply that mostly focusing on that outer corner. Just like these colors blend so easily with each other. Great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here, another Morphe R37, and I'm gonna take Wanderlust. That shade right here is a really pretty terracotta shade. I'm gonna go ahead and start using this color to like smoke this whole entire look even more, and I'm gonna use that on my lid as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that. That is so pretty. Definitely Wanderlust, you can definitely like deepen this up and it'll look like a whole different color. You can just go very light-handed and very heavy-handed with this color and it'll look so pretty. And it'll seem like you use like different shades of brown. It's really pretty. I'm really feeling this look. I feel like this is like could be a good everyday makeup look. If you like, I feel like once you get down like a everyday makeup look or an eye look that you want to do, it's very easy to do it and then like finish the look and you're out the door and ready to go for work. Like this will just go, this eye look will go good with like a lot of different outfits or like lip colors. And it's just easy. This is like kind of like a no-brainer. You'll know what to do. Love it. I love like terracotta browns. These are really pretty. So I kind of felt like I lost the color Loungy a little bit. I'm just going to go back with my Morphe M504 and I'm going to take Loungy once more and start reapplying that shade, popping that in again. Have it like pop out a little bit. Because that is like a brighter kind of orangey peachy color. think I'm going to attempt to deepen this up even more. I don't know how, like, dramatic I want this look to go. But I'm going to go in with my Morphe R39, taking Wanderlust again, and deepen it up. Mostly in the outer corner. Oh, and did I mention, like, look how pretty these, like, palm trees are. I'm in love with palm trees and banana leaves right now, and it's so, I love this packaging, it's so cute. I'm just going to move on to my face. So I'm going to go into my complexion. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Taking my Lexi 209 Large Shader. Actually, I had my Beauty Blender sit out for quite a while, so I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Then I'm going to be going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Vienna. I usually just take 2 pumps, maybe like 2.5, 3 if I feel like I need that extra coverage, but 2 pumps goes like a really long way. I'm going to take my Morphe E28 and I'm just going to blend out like the inner corners of my eyes. And it just kind of looks a little like weird if like I have eyeshadow all up in here, you know? I tend to like go crazy. I like how my look is at right now, like my face. I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is my NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Macadamia. Actually, have come to really like this shade. I still do like custard, but I feel like sometimes custard looked a little deep on me since I'm like pale. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. And obviously you guys know my chin area. I'm also going to go ahead and use another concealer to highlight. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Vanilla. I have been loving this concealer, you guys. It's amazing, and you all need to like try it. It's so full coverage, but like the formula of this concealer is not thick. It's not like too liquidy. It's just like the perfect consistency, and it sets really nice and it blends out really nice. It's just so amazing. So 3 stripes. And I'm going to blend it. I usually put it on my Cupid's bow, but sometimes I feel like it's a little too highlighted. So I'll just put it on my chin now and then I'll blend whatever on my upper lip. So easy to blend out, you guys. Like, and it doesn't go into like fine lines and dry areas and dry patches. If you want to see my full review and like first impressions of this concealer, watch my video. I did make a whole video about it. Mom also really likes this concealer, so I just really like it. It's just so nice. Try it as a foundation one day. Like, I know they have a Born This Way foundation, but I feel like this is like so full coverage enough that it would be like the perfect coverage just as foundation. I'm going to go ahead and take that Morphe E28 and I'm going to blend out the edges of my concealer that I used to carve out my eye look. Now we're going to bake. Going back in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my other beauty blender. I'm just going to take that and blend it out just a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to let this set and I'm going to let it like bake in a little bit and I'll be right back. So I'm going to let this pat this powder off. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder in, can't open it, number 1. I'm going to be taking my Morphe E48. Now I'm going to go with the regular powder. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the 220 Natural Base using my Lexi 520 brush. I'm going to use this to set my whole face as well. I'm going to use like this to look and see what I'm doing. Like, that's not going to work, Helen. So far, so good. So now I'm going to warm up my face because I look very like one-dimensional right now. I'm going to be taking my MAC 140 SES brush, short hand, special edition short. I don't know. Taking my MAC Cosmetics Studio Sculpt Defining Bronzing Powder in Delicates. Use that to bronze up my face. This is just a really pretty bronzer. Go ahead and also contour my face. I'm going to take my MAC 109 with my Balm Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Palette, using obviously my two favorite contour shades. Go ahead and take my E1 and blend this out. I love having a little more color to my face. I don't look as deadly. I'm going to go ahead and contour, not contour, I already did that. I'm going to carve my contour. My Laura Mercier baking powder, loose powder. Just giving these products new names. I'm going to tightline and apply some mascara. The Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel in Brown Out and Roller Lash Mascara. As well as my KoKo Lashes Goddesses, and I'll be right back. Put my lashes on. These are my KoKo Lashes Goddess, and I'm really loving them. They look so dramatic. I also applied some shadow on my lower lashes. It is just Wanderlust, like really like blended and smoked out, and then Loungy on the bottom to blend it out even more, to give it a little bit of color. Like my eyelash is stuck to my bottom eyelash. Like, stop it. To use this like Japanesque lash pincher thing. Not exactly sure the name of that product, but we're good, we're good. I'm gonna blend out that powder. Alright, we're gonna apply some blush. I'm gonna be taking my Colourpop blushes. This one right here, Tulip to Quit. Taking the Dose of Colors Powder Blush Brush. This goes really nice with this eye look. Love it. I'm gonna go ahead and, sorry I'm really loud, set my brows. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise. Almost finished with this look. Kind of sad. Really like this look. Right. Now let's apply the highlighter. So I got both, I got everything from the collection. So I have Soulmate, which I've used multiple times already. Love the packaging once again, and it comes with a mirror, decent size, really pretty Soulmate, and then I have Bathe, which is a really pretty color as well, but I feel like that's more of like a pinky highlighter. And I don't have like a pinky look, so I don't really want to use that one. I'm going to use Soulmate, and I'm going to take my Anastasia A23. It's so pretty. It's so pretty and so pigmented, like you don't even know. It looks like skin, like highlighter that looks like skin. You guys, this is like such a blinding highlight. I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit. Oh, it's so pretty! Alright, I'm going to set my face and I'll be right back. So I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. Feels really nice. Alright, and I'll be right back and we can apply some lip products on. I'm going to line my lips. I also did apply some mascara on my lower lashes using my It Cosmetics Tight Line Mascara. I apply some chapstick. Burt's Bees, sponsor me, please. Love me some Burt's Bees. Now line my lips. I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Ginger. Like, it's so hard to line up my lips. Okay, good. Actually, did a better job than I usually do. So I'm going to be using the Liquid Lip in Aesthetic. It's like a terracotta, just like Wanderlust, but in a liquid lip form. So I love the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick formulas. You all know this. I'm very vocal about it. Alright. So this is the end of my tutorial. Is there a lipstick on my hand? I'm good. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this really like monochromatic, really pretty terracotta-y eye look tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more tutorials using the eyeshadow palette from the Iluvsarahii X Dose of Colors. They're good. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials using the Iluvsarahii X Dose of Colors collection, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!